Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable chat translations on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to enable and disable this feature, first we need to go to the settings. Now scroll down and then find Advanced Features, and then choose Advanced Intelligence. Over here, go to Samsung Keyboard, and finally over here we have Chat Translation, and the feature can be enabled and disabled by tapping on the slider in the top right corner. In addition to that, we can also choose languages to show, where we can choose original and translated text or translated text only. We can also choose apps in which this feature will work, and mostly, if not all, of messaging apps should appear here. And going back, we can also choose the language packs for translation. So if you want to operate in multiple languages, then make sure to include them over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.